The video opens with a scientist in a modern laboratory conducting an experiment with a flask of colorless liquid.
The scientist carefully adds a dropper of red liquid to the colorless solution, causing a chemical reaction.
The mixture begins to bubble and release a gas, creating a white smoke that fills the laboratory.
The scientist observes the reaction, wearing protective goggles and gloves to ensure safety.
As the reaction completes, the liquid in the flask turns into a bright yellow solution.
The video zooms out to reveal a laboratory filled with various scientific equipment and tools. The scientist labels the bright yellow solution as nitric acid and notes down the experimental results.